gonna be putting the wheels on today. We got stagger setup obviously on the G, so 285s in the back, 255s in the front. So we're just gonna take off these winter tire spare wheels off. I'm gonna make my wife do it. That'll be fun. Yeah, I see it's getting a lot better outside, so it is raining, but most of the snow is already gone. So we'll just do the put the wheels on. That way it's all ready and stuff. I don't have to do it. Get it out of the way. Okay. Damn. See, I teach him good. Good. All the nuts are off?
Yep.
I just put it here. Yep. Okay.
Now I grab the tire.
Grab the wheel. Take it off. Yeah. Just roll it out of the way.
Okay.
For now, just put it up by the toolbox.
Okay.
So yeah, we obviously have spacers on temporarily.
Can I hold it like that?
Yeah.
Nothing came out.
Nah. You gotta put it on properly. Like that. And then pull the trigger. Yeah. Came out? Good.
Something did.
No, it has to be on the nut.
It's not going.
So a little bit, you gotta turn it. Some of them are a little bit stripped, like not stripped but rounded. So like that. There you go.
I don't like
Give
this
it.
part.
Okay. 2 more left.
Think it's in?
No, has to. You'll feel it in. Like turn
There.
that thing. Yeah. Good. Yeah. See, you know when it's on now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna take those nuts and you're gonna put it on these studs.
That's it. Just a little bit. Just a few threads. So that we're storing it away. You don't lose them. Come on. Yep, that's it. Yep, that's it. Okay. That's it for now. Then just pull it off. It is rusty a little bit, so it's gonna take some motivation. Let's hold it on. Put it on. Give it a little shake. See it's coming. Pull it off. There we go. I need new rotors, man. This doesn't look good. But it's still good until they're down and we get some new colored rotors. So the spacer's off. Now we just put the wheel on. So, I already wrote on this one, so left front. So put the wheel on. Super light. These are so much lighter. So, put it on. There we go. That's good. So now with the black lug nuts back on. That's it.
How do I do that?
You see how much more bigger the wheel is. So much bigger.
That's it. One tugga. Come on.
One double.
Right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Now this one.
That's it.
Now this one.
No.
This one.
Yeah.
Oh, this one's stuck.
No, you gotta make sure it's on properly. You gotta move it. Okay, that's good. No, that's good. I'm gonna twerk it with the hand, but after. Okay, guys, check it out. Wheels are back on. Damn. Crazy what wheels can do. This doesn't even look like the same car. So, the wheel gap is fully, filled in. What is going on, guys? So this is the first drive officially on the tires on my summer setup, and now first drive, get it on video for you guys. Just bear with me, it's been a while, so just trying to get you guys some footage. Still pretty cold. It's like 4 degrees, a little windy, but windows are down, sun's out. Why not bring a video? So yeah, our boy Nitish, so we just I just checked out his car a couple of weeks ago, and car's running. Took it for a drive as well. It's driving nice. can't wait for the power tune on that G35 coupe. Built motor setup, higher boost. It's gonna be really, really nice. So really excited for that. For now, just enjoy the driving clips. Finally, guys, we got some video going on. I'm just gonna be running 6 pounds of boost for now. I still gotta do the oil change. So once I do that, we'll stick it up to the higher boost. But for now, car's driving, 6 pounds, plenty of fun for now. The streets are still a little bit cold, so the tires don't hook up quite well. So that'll do for now. Can't wait to do the oil change on it. Have some fresh oil running through it. Car's driving pretty good. Alright guys, so this is actually the first time I'm actually using the head mount. I usually just put it in my mouth, but yeah, it looks much better. I don't know why I haven't done this yet, but you can see everything properly now. Let me know if it's too high. I'm just trying to get the right angle. It's gonna take some time, but it should be good. That's much better. Okay. Looks like it's about rush hour time almost, so I don't know if I'll get a pull. But I'm gonna take it for a drive later on in the evening. This is just so that you guys can see it during the day. It's beautiful weather, man. You can see everything. The thing is, when the light goes down, the GoPro isn't that great in the dark. But yeah, that's what I noticed. But yeah, there's definitely other ways to like correct that. Even like DJI made actually a hero kind of like GoPro. It's called Action, I think. It's pretty dope. Maybe one day I'll pick it up if it has good reviews and stuff. Woo! 6 pounds. Ooh, the bumpy road here. feel the rear end just going like